Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can filter chats to more easily find them in the list. To filter chats, click the Chat button in the app bar, then click the Filter icon at the top of the chat pane. Type the name of the person in the chat you are trying to find into the Filter by Name field at the top of the pane. As you type, the filtered results then appear below. To clear the filter, click the Close Filter button, which looks like an X at the right end of the field. You can delete a message you have sent within a chat or channel conversation. To delete a message, hover over it within the chat or channel conversation, click the More Options ellipsis to its right, and select Delete from the menu. Other participants will no longer see the message. You will see a notification that says this message has been deleted where the message previously appeared. To restore the deleted message, click the Undo link next to the message. Participants will once again be able to see the message. You cannot delete an entire chat. However, you can hide a chat from your chat list if you no longer want to see it. To hide a chat, hover over the chat message, click its More Options ellipsis to its right, and select Hide from the menu. The chat is then hidden until someone posts a new message to it. To locate a hidden chat, type the name of the person from the chat in the command box and select it from the resulting list. Then hover over the chat message in the chat pane, click its More Options ellipsis to its right, and select Unhide from the menu. The chat then remains in the list within the chat pane. You can mute a chat to continue to be included as part of the conversation but no longer receive notifications from the chat. To mute notifications from a chat, hover over the chat, click the More Options ellipsis to its right, and select Mute from the menu. An icon appears next to the chat indicating that the chat has been muted. To unmute a chat, click the More Options ellipsis next to the chat and select Unmute from the menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.